everybody, this is Evan from Iconic. So real quick, I just wanted to go over multiple time frame analysis from a little bit of a high level overview. I just got done today with a mentor class with a lot of the students in the chat room and the accelerator program. This was kind of the main theme and topic for tonight. Really what I wanted to do was highlight my swing on GSAT, where I caught the first cycle, the long from $1.50 up to $2. So let's jump right into it. So really, the day that I was longing was yesterday, so Tuesday the 22nd, on this dip right here into the hourly mean. So essentially what I try to do is I try to line up multiple time frames to confirm my thesis for the upside or downside on a trade. So for example, GSAT, my thesis was, okay, long swing to the upside after I saw us have an impulse up day with strong volume, 156 million shares on this day. It got on my radar here on the 21st or Monday, dipped into the 13 EMA and held it. And essentially, I saw it holding the hourly. I saw it holding the 4 hour right there, dipped into it. I saw it holding, whoops, the 2 hour, dipped in and held the hourly, held the 30, and up here is the 20, right? So we're holding multiple different means or multiple different moving averages on every single time frame that you can really look up until the daily. In the daily context was a breakout over this high right here at 165, holding that 13 EMA in the daily, dipped down and held. So I was longing close to the 13 EMA in the daily. I was longing close to the moving average on the 4 hour, the 2 hour, the hourly, the 30-minute, the 20-minute, the 10-minute, everything, all the way down until the micro time frames. I was longing at support, and that's what you really want to do on your trade. Is you want to start big and drill down all the way to the micro time frame, so macro to micro, to find out, okay, am I actually getting in at a spot where I'm at support, true support on every time frame down the chain. If you're extended from one or two, there's a likelihood or a chance that you're going to catch the short cycle on that one and be caught with the bag for a little bit. So, for example, if you're way up and extended in space on the 4 hour or the daily, uh, and it looks like it's okay on the hourly or the 30-minute, you might get caught. If you were trying to long GSAT up here at 2 on this $2 break today, and you didn't look at the daily and you didn't drill back or scale back and look at the 4 hour, for example, you're way off the 4 hour, you're way off the daily, you're on a 3-day rally. But if you just sat there and looked at the intraday time frames, like the 30-minute, you'd say, oh, I'm literally opening up only 10 cents off of that moving average or that support. And that's just not the way you need to think. You need to start and look at every time frame and then drill down and see where you're at in the cycle and what your room upside or to the downside truly is on everything. I was longing down here at 155 at a point where I was at support from the daily all the way down to the 3-minute, right? Everywhere I was at support. Up here, if you're trying to long it 2 up here on this breakout of the whole dollar number, you're extended away from the longer term macro time frames, hence why you need a pullback on the short term. So hopefully that made a little bit of sense. Again, start big and drill down and make sure that you're using multiple time frames to time your trades properly. So we'll see you guys in the chat room.